What is up, you guys? It's your boy C8 Corey back with another video today. I've always heard about Rapids Water Park here in Palm Beach, and I've never been. I'm not actually going in. I just want to see where it is. But I was like, damn, I haven't filmed a POV in a couple days. So I'm like, let me just turn this into a little POV video. So everyone's having a great day while you're watching this video. I recently just got a new tattoo. I'll probably put a picture of it somewhere on the screen here. I absolutely love it. It's funny though, so my skin never really like flares up or gets, what's the word, like it never gets swollen after a tattoo. Like, yes, it might get a little bit red, but my skin doesn't really like rise or, you know, get crazy. But for this tattoo, I guess it was because of all the shading and stuff that was there, which was kind of a lot, honestly. And coming down to the end of the tattoo, it was brutal. But yeah, it was kind of a lot, and it took a minute to heal. And the water, like, look at my hand, it's still big. Like it's still filled with water. My like wrist is swollen, my whole arm. But the good thing is it's drying up nice. It's finally, like, you know, it's finally healing the way it's supposed to. But yeah, for the past couple days it has not been the best. I've just been trying to lay low, haven't really been at the gym much, because this thing's just been bothering me, bro, like my whole arm. So, but yeah, that's pretty much really it. And I've really just been icing it for like an hour and then taking it off and then icing it again, and that's really been helping for all of like the swelling to really go down. Because someone else on TikTok was like, oh, just ice it for like a minute and then take it off and then ice it again. But to me, it just wasn't doing enough. I think because my arm is just so swollen that it just wasn't doing enough. So now that, you know, I see it's working, I'm gonna just continue to keep doing that until the swelling fully goes down. So we're almost there, because before it was so bad that I couldn't close my hand, but now I can at least close my hand. Everything feels somewhat normal. So yeah, we shall see what happens. Oh yeah, guy's trying to race over there, man. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a really dope tattoo. A lot of shading, especially close to the elbow. That thing was killing me. But if you guys are ever in Miami, shout out to Inkaholic Tattoos. They're really, really good. Literally, like, every tattoo artist can get the job done for you. Like, you know how some shops, it's like only, you know, they might have like 8 tattoo artists, but there's only like 4 that are like really, really, really good. But this one, it was like every tattoo artist was really good. The manager there will translate if some of the tattoo artists don't speak full English. He was really good with the prices. So for the most part, it really wasn't bad. Great experience. And it also gave me a heads up for when it's time for me to do the sleeve on my left side that I plan on getting, the full Polynesian sleeve. I know it's gonna be real painful, but no pain, no gain. But yeah, this Saturday is gonna make a week that I've had this tattoo so far, so it shouldn't really be that bad. I'm kind of just hoping, you know, because for the most part it's gonna heal, right? I already know it is. Like, I know, you know, it's just in the beginning process, it just has to look a little bit ugly, but for the most part it's not that bad. It's gonna turn out like the rest of them. So just waiting for this stuff to peel and finally look good. But you guys know how it is. The beginning process of a tattoo is literally terrible. So traffic already. So today's Friday. I believe it's the 31st. Is it 31st? I think so. So on Fridays in Florida, it's like New York to me. It's like crowded from like 12 o'clock on. And I really didn't realize like how many people come down here for the weekends. Like a lot of people come to Palm Beach, a lot of people come to Fort Lauderdale, a lot of people go to Miami. Like everyone up north comes down, so that's a lot more people on the weekends. Summertime is crazy, like traffic like crazy. Even though people say all of the snowbirds leave, but the people who are in cold ass states come out to Florida, and Florida is just packed again. So that really doesn't do much. But yeah, I feel like I've passed this place that I'm going to. Well, I'm not going there, but I just want to see where it is. I feel like I passed it before and I just don't realize it. Oh, and for West Palm Beach Cars and Coffee, for those of you that don't know, I believe they locked in a location, but it might be the end of the summer because I know that he has to worry about permits and insurance. It's really a whole big thing. Like, as much as I love cars, if I was to ever build a crazy fan base, I don't think I would ever host a Cars and Coffee, especially at any of these big venues, because the insurance is insane. The liability that you got to worry about is insane. If people that come and show up with $1 million cars, it's not going to be good, because if something happens, like, it's good promotion wise, but if something happens, you're screwed. You are literally screwed. So I don't know. We're just gonna see what happens, man. I'm just gonna see what happens. But yeah, I really hope that guy's event goes well for the Cars and Coffee. I'm probably gonna be asked to be at one of the booths, so I'm probably gonna go. Pollo Tropical. I remember when they first came out, they used to be so popular, and now parking lot empty. I like the fact that there's not that many cars going this direction, so traffic shouldn't be too crazy where I'm going. In the comments, let me know what your dream car is. I want to know what everybody watching this video, what's your dream car? If you just had an infinite amount of money and you could buy whatever you wanted, what is your dream car? Lately though, I'm not gonna lie, like, I've been getting a lot of people recording me on like the highway and stuff, cause like it happens, but it's not like a lot. Like, it's like probably once or twice a week it happens. But this past 3 weeks, it's been like every time I go onto the highway, everyone's got their phone out. And it's funny because like everybody talks crap about the C8s, and it's like a wannabe Ferrari. I get it, you know, but people still show respect to it, especially the real car guys that know about this car. Like, you're only gonna know about it unless you're like a real car guy. A ton of people who aren't car people, who don't really know the car like that, they just assume it's, damn, people flying, they just assume that it's like a Ferrari or something because it looks the same way. So I'm like, no, it's not a Ferrari. I'm hoping it's not like a one-way in, one-way out type of thing. I know they got parking and stuff. Oh, wait, is it in the back here? K-band everywhere. My radar is going crazy right now. I also am trying to find new spots to like film, and also I just want to find new spots to film and stuff. Honestly, that's all I care about, to keep it all the way real with you. Oh, this is actually dope, pretty much. I want to see if I could go all the way in the back. That's pretty dope though, for real, with all the people in. That is dope. That is dope. Look at all the parking though. Probably because it's a like, what's today, Friday, yeah. So that's why it's so much. That's why it's so much parking. I just want to see how far I could go down. Oh, there's nothing else over here. Okay. Alright guys, well if you made this part of the video, I appreciate you. Please give this video a big like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.